السلام عليكم، أهلا بكم طلابي الأعزاء. Today we will talking about a change of axis. A change of axis, there are three types of change of axis: translation of axis, rotation of axis, general transformation. First, we will explain translation of axis. In translation of axis, we change only the origin from the point O, 0 and 0 to the point O dash H and K, but the new axes are parallel to the old axis. From the figure, we have two planes, xy plane with origin O and x-y plane with origin O dash H and K, and the point B is lie in the two planes xy and x-y plane. We note that the origin O, 0 and 0 is shifted to another point O dash H و K, so we change only the origin from the point O to O dash. But the new axis, x dash axis and y dash axis, are parallel to the old axis, x axis and y axis, i.e. the new axis are parallel to the old axis. The new axes are x dash axis and y dash axis. The old axis is x axis and y axis. So we note that x dash axis is parallel to x axis and y dash axis is parallel to y. So in translation of axis, we change only the origin from the point O to another point O dash H and K, but the new axes are parallel to the old axis. Hence, the point B has two coordinates. First coordinates x and y with respect to xy plane, and the second coordinates is x dash and y dash with respect to x dash y dash plane. Hence, the new coordinates x dash y dash of the point B are connected with the old coordinates x y by the relation x equal to x dash plus h and y equal to y dash plus k, where x and y is the old coordinates of the point B, x dash and y dash is the new coordinates of the point B, h and k is the coordinates of the new origin O dash, and O is the original origin or the old origin. Example 1. Transform the equation to parallel axis through the points 3 and 5. We understand from this example that we will do transform of axis only from the point 0, 0 to the point 3 and 5. So the point 3 and 5 is the coordinate of the new origin. Transform the equation to parallel axis through the point 3 and 5, i.e. we want to transform the equation to the new axis through the point 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 is the new origin, i.e. 3 and 5 is the coordinates of the point O dash. Transformation relation are given by the following relation, where h and k, the coordinates of the new origin, is equal to 3 and 5. So we have x equal to x dash plus h and y equal to y dash plus k. Substitute with h and k in this relation. We have x equal to x dash plus 3 and y equal to y dash plus k, where h equal to 3 and k equal to 5, but x and y are the old coordinates of the point B. X dash and y dash is the new coordinates of the point B. If we substitute with x and y in the following equation, we will have x dash plus 3 square plus y dash plus 5 square minus 6 x dash plus 3 minus 10 y dash plus 5 minus 2 equal to 0. In this equation is given by replacing x by x dash plus 3 and replacing y by y dash plus 5, replacing x by x dash by 3, y by y dash by we replace y by y dash plus 5. So we will have the following equation in x dash and y dash coordinate: x dash square plus y dash square equal to 36. This equation, the above equation, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y minus 2 equal to 0, is in xy plane, in the original plane. but the equation x dash square plus y dash square equal to 36 is in the new plane x dash y dash plane. Second, we will explain rotation of axis. Axes are rotated through an angle theta in anti-clockwise direction without changing of axis. In rotation of axis, we will rotate the old axis x and y with angle theta in anti-clockwise, but the origin is fixed. In this case, the origin is fixed. O is fixed. The origin is fixed, but we rotate the xy plane with angle theta in anti-clockwise direction without changing the origin. So we will have a new plane x dash y dash plane, and the original plane is xy plane. So we will have new axis x dash axis and y dash axis. All the axis is x and y. The point B will has two coordinates. First coordinates is x and y with respect to xy plane, and the second coordinates is x dash and y dash with respect to x dash y dash plane. So there are a relation between the new coordinates of the point B and the old coordinates of the point B. Hence, the new coordinates x dash y dash of the point B are connected with the old coordinates x y by the following relation, where x and y are the old coordinates of the point B, x dash and y dash are the new coordinates of the point B with respect to x dash y dash plane. Theta is the angle of rotation in anti-clockwise. This is the relation between the new coordinates and the old coordinates. Example, find the coordinate of the point 4 and 2 square root of 3 when the axes are rotated through an angle of 30 degrees in clockwise sense. We understand from this example that we will make rotation of axes only with angle 30 degrees in clockwise sense. And this point is the coordinates of the this point is the coordinates of what? Find the coordinates of the point 4 and 2 square root of 3. So this point is the coordinates of all the coordinates of the point B. Find the coordinates of the point. So these coordinates are the coordinates of the old mean point. This is the old coordinates of the point B. But 30 degree is the theta. Theta is equal to minus 30 degree because theta is in clockwise sense. So we have two conditions. First condition and second condition. First condition is the all the coordinates of the point B. 30 degree is the theta. Rotation relation are given by the following relation, where x and y are the coordinates of the old coordinates of the point B. X dash and y dash are the new coordinates of the point B. Theta is the angle of rotation in anti-clockwise. Since theta equal to minus 30 degree, minus because we have theta in clockwise sense. To make theta in anti-clockwise sense, so we put minus 30 degree. Theta equal to minus 30 degree to make theta in anti-clockwise. And x or y, and all the coordinates of the point B is equal to 4 and 2 square root of 3. If we substitute with theta and x or y in the rotation relation, we will give the following relation. X equal to x dash cosine theta minus y dash sine theta. X 4, substitute x by 4, replace theta by minus 30 degree. Replace theta by minus 30 degree. X dash and y dash are the new coordinates of the point B. So we will have the following equation. This equation is called equation 1. Similarly, we will have y equal to x dash sine theta minus y dash cosine theta. Y is the all the coordinates of the point B is equal to 2 square root of 3. X dash is the new coordinates. Theta is the angle of rotation equal to minus 30 degree. Y dash is the y coordinates. Y dash is the new coordinates of the point B. Minus 30 degrees is the angle of rotation. So we will have this equation. This equation is called equation 2. If we solve equation 1 and equation 2, we will have the value of x dash and y dash. From 1 and 2, we will get x dash equal to square root of 3 and y dash equal to 5. Hence, the coordinates of the point 4 and 2 square root in new position is 30 square root of 3 and 5. This point is the old coordinates of the point B, but this point is the new coordinates of the point B. Third, we will explain general transformation. General transformation, it contains two steps. First step is transformation of axis. Second step is rotation of axis. So general transformation contains transformation of axis and rotation of axis. In general transformation, the origin is shifted to O dash, H and K, and the axes are rotated through theta in anti-clockwise. So the coordinates are given by the following relation. We note that in general transformation we have two steps. First step, we will transform the axis. Second step, we will rotate the axis. This is xy plane. Xy plane through the point O. If we transform this axis xy plane to another plane x dash y dash through the point O dash, so the point origin O is shifted to another point O dash, H and K. So we have a new axis called x dash axis and y dash axis. Second, we will rotate x dash y dash plane through an angle theta in anti-clockwise, and we will have another plane called x double dash y double dash plane. So x and y point B has three coordinates. First coordinates is x and y with respect to xy plane. Second coordinates is x dash and y dash with respect to x dash y dash plane. Third coordinates is x double dash y double dash with respect to x double dash y double dash coordinate. X double dash y double dash plane. So x and y are the old coordinates. X double dash and y double dash is the new coordinates. Theta is the angle of rotation in anti-clockwise. H and K is the coordinates of the new origin O dash. So in general transformation we have two steps. First step we will make translation of axis to another point O dash equal to H and K. Second step, we will rotate the x dash y dash plane with angle theta in anti-clockwise. We can show this by the following diagram. This is xy plane. Point B has coordinate x and y in xy plane. So in first step we will transform the axis from the point O to the point O dash H and K. So we will have a new axis x dash and y dash through the point O dash. So the point B will have new axis x dash and y dash and new coordinates x dash and y dash. First, we will do transformation of axis from the point O to point O dash. Second, we will rotate x dash y dash plane with angle theta in anti-clockwise. So we will have the following figure. X dash y dash is rotated through an angle theta in anti-clockwise. So we will have x double dash y double dash plane. So in general transformation we have two steps. First step is transformation of axis from the point O to point O dash. Second step is rotation of x dash y dash plane through an angle theta in anti-clockwise sense to have another plane x double dash y double dash plane. General transformation axis. Example 3. Find the original coordinates of A if the origin is shifted to the point -2 and 1. The axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees and the coordinates of A becomes 2 square root of 2 and 2. From this example, we will understand that find the original coordinates of A. So we want to find the value of the new A of the old coordinates of the point A. If the origin is shifted to the point -2 or 1, origin is shifted to, so -2 or 1 is the new origin, because we say that if the origin is shifted to the point -2 or 1, so -2 or 1 is the new origin, but the old origin is the point O, 0 and 0. The axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees. This is the angle of rotation, and the coordinates of A becomes 2 square root 2 and 2. So this point is the new coordinates of the point A. From this example, we understand that we will do general transformation in axis. First step, we will shift the origin from the point O 0, 0 to the point -2, 1. Second step, the axis is rotated through an angle 45. So in this example, we will do general transformation, rotation and transformation. First, we will do transformation of axis. Second, we will do rotation of axis. So 45 degree is the angle of rotation. -2 and 1 is the new origin. This point is the new coordinates of the point A, because we want to find the original coordinates of A. So this is the new coordinates of the point B. Solution. General transformation relation are given by this relation, where x and y is the old coordinates of the point B, h and k is the coordinates of the new origin, x double dash and y double dash is the new coordinates of the point B, theta is the angle of rotation in anti-clockwise, where h and k is equal to -2 and 1, theta is equal to 45 degrees, and x double dash y double dash, the new coordinates of the point A, is equal to 2 square root 2 and 2. So we obtain x equal to h minus 2 plus x double dash, the value of x double dash, cosine 45 degree minus y double dash equal to 2 sine 45 degree. So we will have this equation. So x equal to minus square root of 2. Second, we will have y equal to 1. 1 is equal to k. K equal to 1 plus 2 square root 2. 2 square root of 2 is mean x double dash sine theta sine 45 minus y double dash يبقى minus 2 cosine 45 degree. So we will have y equal to 3 plus square root of 2. Hence, the original coordinates of the point is given by this point. X and Y is the original coordinates of the point B, but H و K is the coordinates of the new origin. Theta is the angle of rotation. X double dash and Y double dash is the new coordinate of the point B. In this example, we want to find the coordinates of the point B, but the old coordinates of the point A. Old coordinates or original coordinates. Original coordinates or old coordinates of the point A is given by this point. Thank you.